right now. But for many hours now.
Please respect the authority of the university.
Ki Samla Pule ka Nehu ki balai lum prasha eka jingwandrung ki Pule raphalau ka Nehu ki lakal party ki Majistor bakin phami noi ki Pule khanang bakin ya prano namar bakila haplay puli kot na sheyeng ki lakal party ki Majistor bakin sngothu eka jing ki Samla Pule namar baki don test ru bat pangkata eki lada ki pen apsa nolor bala Miet ki Samla Pule ki lailum haphalau ka Nehu hadin baki Pule ki lawandrung shizbok mentaka jan Miet ka apupratare ku yayong aja pesan pala bantep tamba ka jingwandrung ki Pule kala bandei baki thumu bantoket halo ka jingja shasho jong uwe no hikai hindi ka Nehu Dr. Alok Singh Dangshan hakaba unongilam ka Nehu su usamla sandi sotun ula shakyam hinne kasngi.
Ma'am, if you want to stay, no?
Actually, even we are following the orders.
Means you plan to stay, no?
Then, ma'am, please follow the
If they had the intention, to just come, then why is the truck carrying so many blankets, food packets? Why aren't they there? Students, can you still wait? No! Will you wait for a few more hours? No! Will you wait till tomorrow morning? No! Do you want the truck to go out now? Yes! Do you want all the bus to go out? Yes! God! Listen, ma'am, we cannot wait anymore.
Right now. But for many hours now.
Please respect the authority of the university.
Students
Please
need to go
respect the
home.
authority of the university.
Yeah. And as of the letter you have seen that the chancellor.
If you understand and just
Ma'am, there's no need.
We need
Ma'am,
you
we
have
have
been
been
cooperating.
Since 4 p.m.
for a few minutes morning. We have
No, we
ma'am.
can.
You have been saying that like
there's
more. But then how many hours you have been?
Just stand here whole day. Right after
Yeah,
our
ma'am, we
tiffin,
are
ma'am.
also tired. We want to study. We want to go
Tomorrow,
home.
same
our
condition.
see, ma'am.
Yeah.
Our
Same condition.
see, but ma'am,
You have test ma'am tomorrow. You have
our
test
science
tomorrow. You have
We have
test ma'am.
presentation.
You have
We
exam.
have so many
Please
Ma'am,
ma'am.
we also have our own academic.
students from
Wait for a
science,
minute.
If you have exam, then you also you can study.
Ma'am, see, we are the ones who are staying very far and we are going by bus. And the bus also will take time.
Administration has taken its